Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Teacher's TED. So in this channel we are going to learn about mathematics, that is especially for high school students. So I'm going to talk about fundamental topic, that is a number system. It is very foundation of all the calculations and mathematical concepts we use in our daily lives. So let us know the meaning of numbers. Anything which we can be counted is referred to as a number. A number system is a systematic way to represent and express numbers. Coming to the classification of numbers, initially the basic classification of number is a natural number. So these are the counting numbers which are starting from 1. So we can write like this: natural numbers are start from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., etc., etc. are referred to as natural numbers. The next category of numbers is whole numbers. The whole numbers is represented by a letter W. Now, all the natural numbers, including 0, is called a whole number. So we can write like this: W equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, etc., etc., etc. You can see the difference here. Natural numbers are start from 1 and the whole numbers are starts with 0. The next category is integers. So all the whole numbers and the negative counterparts of the natural numbers are referred to as integers. So integers can be written like this. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., etc., etc. So you can see the difference here. This includes natural numbers, whole number, and the negative numbers. The next number is very important, that is a rational number. Rational numbers are those which we can write in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So any number which we represent in the form of p by q are known as rational numbers. You can take any examples like 1 by 2, minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 3 by 5, etc., etc., etc. You can see here minus 3 is an integer and 4 is also an integer. The next category is irrational number. So any numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q is called irrational number. So where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So you can see here the example of irrational number is root 2, root 3, pi, etc., etc., etc. So the next category is real numbers. All rational, irrational numbers together in the form of real numbers. So real numbers are represented by the letter 0, and you can see any examples like negative integers, positive integers, 0, and irrational numbers are combined referred to as real numbers. So I think hope you understood the types of numbers. We'll go to for the next category, that is how to find a rational number between two given numbers. So there are two methods to solve this. One method number one is take two rational numbers which are a and b and use this formula to find out the rational number between these two numbers. Let us take an example to find two rational numbers between 4 and 5. So here a represents 4 and b represents 5. So just substitute this value in this formula. We will get 4 plus 5 by 2, that is 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is one rational number. We need another number. So for another number, you need the same step repeating again, taking a as 4 and b as 9 by 2. Just now we have calculated the answer and take that answer and substitute a and b in the same formula. We'll get, so take half outside. You will get a as 4 and b as 9 by 2. So take LCM. You'll get like this. So 8 plus 9 by 2, that is 17 divided by 4. So 17 by 4 and 9 by 2 are the two numbers we get between 4 and 5. So this is some kind of iterative methods. If you want more rational numbers between these two numbers, it is very difficult to calculate each and everything. So we have another simpler method, that is method number 2. Here it's very simple. So to find two rational number between 4 and 5, you need to make the denominator is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So just see here, let me tell you another way. So denominator should be equal to 3. So why 3? Because you need to find out two rational numbers. Just add 1, you will get 3. So 4 can be written as 4 into 3 by 3. 4 by 4 into 3 is 12. So 12 by 3 is the first number and the same answer will come. So 12 by 3 is equal to 4 only. And 5 can be written as 5 into 3 by 3, that is 15 by 3. So the first number is 12 by 3, that is 4, and the last number is 15 by 3, that is 5. So the same one. If we need a rational number between 4 and 5, so the first number is 4 and the last number is 5. So we can write like this: 12 by 3, the series will goes on like this: 13 by 3, 14 by 3, 15 by 3. So these are the two numbers which we are expecting that the rational numbers between these two numbers. So 12 by 3 is 4 and 15 by 3 is 5. So between 4 and 5, we can write 13 by 3 and 14 by 3 are the two rational numbers. Now remember students, there are infinite number of rational numbers can be written between two numbers. So this is only a two number. If you want to make it some five numbers, the same procedure is going on. And compared to this method, this is very simpler. I hope all of you understood these theory concepts. We'll see in the next video to find out various examples and various problems. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you one and all. Thank you.